Nick, welcome, and thank you for taking the time out to be with me here today to talk to me more about your big, massive win on a sale, going through the closing process and it going smoothly. So tell me more about that, please.
Yeah, so before I came to COA, I had my own kind of closing process that I kind of learned on my own, and I thought it was good. And I was like you normally when I would get on the phone, like first rejection, I would just be like, "Oh, okay, no problem." I wouldn't really build rapport and stuff like that. And then I would practice it like every night once I went through that module, and like it taught me a lot about the closing process. Like normally, I would do it in like 5-10 minutes, and then I realized that it's like 30 to 40 minutes. So started doing that. Like I've only done it once so far, and I'm 1 for 1. So no, it went really well, and like I really I like it. I love the program so far, and the closing process like really helped me out. Like I don't think I would have like got them if I didn't use it at all.
Yeah. Got it. And so, you kind of explained a bit, but just before you joined COA then, where were you? Just in terms of, the whole journey, the whole process, where were you before joining COA?
So this summer that just came up, I didn't have my business running yet. I was been between years at university, and I just started like an Instagram page, and like I just found like fitness as a passion. And then one of my friends approached me and was like, "Oh, you can do like online coaching. A lot of people are making good money." And like I thought that was something I'd really like to do. So I launched my coaching in September. Um, but I was getting really burnt out from just posting like reels and TikToks and stuff like that every day. And then I kind of like was searching online. I'm like, there's got to be a better way. So then I kind of found Ed's like YouTube videos and stuff of like talking about how there's an easier way of doing it and scaling. And then that's what made me join COA. So basically, before I was just kind of doing things on my own and just DMing people and making content and all this stuff. And it was working a little bit, but it was like 12, 14 hours a day. And I was just burnt out. And I needed something that was more reliable. And then I found this program. And so far, it's been amazing.
Awesome. And in that amazing nest, let's say, what have you enjoyed the most about COA and working with us? Some people say it's the process, so it's the main program and it being easy to follow, kind of with step-by-step modules. Other people say support, we're there for you every step of the way, week after week. And if you have any questions, we'll always answer it on the clinics or on in the group itself. Some people say it's the assets, so funnels, templates, add copy, the closer process that you've been through now, right? 1 for 1, that we give all this to you. What did you like the most? What's the best to you? What do you enjoy the most?
So right now I'm only about at module 2 because I haven't had much time to work on it because I was tied up with like some stuff with school and getting out and getting back home. So now I'm finally back home and I can start working ham on it soon. So I'm almost done the second module. I have my HVG done, and I just made a new website too. So that was pretty cool. But the thing I like the most about the program is probably like a mix of everything, like just the value in it, from the support to how like well laid out the videos are. It's super like user friendly,
Mm.
especially like with the techie stuff. Like I'm kind of techie, but not that much. And like the videos are really well laid out, and like he explains everything super well. Everything's really easy to follow, and the support's there whenever you do have any questions. And everyone in the group is super nice. Like if you post something, everyone's gonna just cheer you on, good momentum. And
Mhm.
then I haven't been to a clinic yet. I haven't really had time, but I plan on going to like all of them starting like tomorrow, like I said, now that I'm back home.
Yeah, that's cool, dude. That's absolutely cool. And for you then, what would you tell someone who wanted to or was thinking about joining COA?
I think they should definitely do it, like especially if you're someone who was like me, who was just burnt out and was seeing a little bit of results, but you felt like it's not enough for the amount of work you put in. COA is definitely the way to go because like everything's like automated, and everything you just need to put in the work, set up all the stuff in the background, and then just make the calls and make the closes. And yeah, it's just everything's laid out for you. You just have to follow the steps. There's nothing really to it. Like just follow the steps. You have the support. You have everything you need, and yeah.
Incredible. Well, yeah, look, Nick, thank you so much for taking the time to run this with me. And look, it's been great. Obviously, just at the start of your journey, many more good things to come for sure. Many more use of that closer process to close more people. Yeah, man, like really excited and pumped for the journey, especially if you have more free time that you kind of stop school. Like let's really crank this thing up and let's get going. How's that sound?
Yes, sir. I'm excited.
Amazing, amazing, amazing.